What's going on, everybody? I'm back with another video, and this time is another unboxing. I picked up a few watch straps off of Amazon. I'm about to check them out today, and I got a watch I'm about to put them on too, and let's see how well these actually work out. So I'm gonna unbox it with the Akuchi here. Now, in light of what happened on my last unboxing, where actually there's still some remnants of these little, whatever these foam little white things that came out of it, I'm wondering if this is going to do the same thing. So let me just be very careful with this for just a half a second here. Maybe I can just open it like this instead of actually cutting into it. Okay, good. Because if I pull this open and there's going to be like a bunch of foam all over the place, I'm going to really kind of peel it again. So, what the heck is this? Okay. Oh yeah, there's foam in it, so you can see it right there. Oh man, what is up with all this new packaging that Amazon is using that's creating such a massive mess? What? Okay. All right, here we go. So let's get this out of the way before I make a huge mess over here. Okay, there's nothing else in here, so that's good. All right, well, let's go ahead and shut this knife before I cut myself. That off to the side, and here we go. So I bought these straps. I found these on Amazon. They're by a company called Fullmosa, and I figured I'd give them a try because I've always had to deal with spring bars such as this. They're kind of annoying to get out, and you always need a tool to take them on and off. So I decided to try these out, and so we're gonna see what we got here. So let's start with this one right here. Let's see here, looks like they are taped up. And so these are all 20 mils because the watch I'm about to put them on. Well, actually, most of my watches are 20 millimeter lug widths, anyways. So let's see what this looks like. Let's get these out of the way for just a second. Get it all focused in on this one. All right, so what do we got here? Little support card. So this is how it comes. This, I guess comes with assuming another spring bar tool, probably to take your existing straps off if you needed it. But I got like a bazillion one of these cheapo little spring bar tools. Eventually, I think I'm gonna have to get like an actual high quality one. But this looks quite promising so far. This is a gray strap that I got, and here it is. You see the easy quick, what do they call them, the quick change. Oh, that's pretty cool. So let's see, and the same on the other side. Oh, that's interesting. I've never really seen one done this way, where usually this bottom strap keeper is actually just in place right here. Only the top one here moves, but for some reason they both kind of move, so not too sure what's up. I may just take one of these off. But anyways, let's go and give this one a quick try. Let me move this out of the way. Is there anything else underneath it? Nope. All right. So let's move that out of the way. Close my knife. I'm gonna bring in my Tissot here. Whoops, got it upside down. My Tissot Visor-Date. Get that out of the way. And what the heck? Let's bring in a little bit of color. Get these out of the way. I guess I should have been more prepared for this, but as you know me, it's tradition for me to not be prepared on any of my videos whatsoever. Okay, so here's the Visor-Date. I did already get the straps off. In case you guys are wondering, these are what the original straps look like. Very nice crocodile patterned, leather straps. But we're gonna try something different. So right off the bat, I have to say these feel very, very soft. It doesn't really feel like there's a lot in them, I guess I should say. More like just filled with foam, which is what I expected for something that only costs about, what are these, like $13 or $14 each? I mean, they're not very expensive. So let's go and give them a try. Let's see here. Kind of hard to do this on camera, so I gotta angle my head off to the side here for just half a second. All right. Come on. There we go. Okay, so I got one side on. Let's see if I can get the other side on. Oop. So the trick is obviously you put one side in first, and you pull down on the spring, on the quick release here. Come on. move it until you find, there we go. So nice and tight. So here it is with the nice gray straps on it. Wow, it actually looks quite nice. Got the white dial. Let me move this light out of the way so it doesn't have so much glare on it. But you got the white dial, and holy moly, this glary. And then the gray straps over here. Looking quite nice. Okay, let's see how this thing looks on my wrist. This is a 39 and a half or almost 40 mil case. I got about 6.5 inch, 6 3/4 inch wrist. Now let's just put it over here. All right, so, oh yeah. The gray lends a little bit more sportiness to it, I guess. Got to get the one, got the one with the silver clasp on it. Wow, that's looking very nice so far. Cool. I'll tell you what, let's go and unbox the other two here. Oops, fail. There we go. All right, so I'm expecting the same stuff in here. So we got the card. Oh, nice. Look at these. This is the blue. Wow, look at that, guys. Very nice. Very nice blue on this. I don't really know if these are going to last long, but you know, for something this cheap, I don't really care too much, but I like that blue and white stitching on this. You can see a little bit of pebbling on the leather as well. So they got some good texture on it. So, and again, here are the quick release spring bars, Fullmosa logo, nothing on this side. And the other thing I like about these so far is the fact that because I do have small wrists, I mean, look, I was actually able to get some extra holes left over, which is not something that's common with me. However, I figure if the lug to lug was wide enough, I probably would have to go all the way to the very last hole. But, you know, let me take this off for just a second. We'll set it down. Let's open up the last one. I mean, I may have to get some more of these. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Absolutely gorgeous color here. Kind of a medium brown or a dark tan kind of color. Wow, what nice coloration these are coming in. Almost a logo. Here, I'll show you guys with the blue. And we'll bring the kind of gray, almost like a gray green up, you know, very interesting colors. And adds a little splash of fun and playfulness, I guess, if you will, to your watch. I mean, most watch guys know, you know, you can change the strap out and make it a completely different look and feel. So, and I love this. Look how easy this is. This is so awesome. Just be able to pull down on a tab and just release it from the case, or from the lugs, I guess I should technically say. All right, let's see here. And you don't have to have a tool for this. This is fantastic. I may never even use that. I mean, I do like these straps right here, but I may not never even use this. In fact, I can actually probably take this. Are these the same? Yeah, they're the same. I mean, I could literally take this clasp off and just pop it on here, and I would just have a quick, basically a butterfly clasp if I wanted to. Anyways, here it is on the blue. So we got a blue and white dial, silver clasp to match. And it is looking pretty darn good so far. Let's try this on. Of course, these straps have not been broken in yet. We'll put it on the same hole as the last one I just did. And the other cool thing is I don't really have a ton of strap left over like I normally do on some of the other straps or watch straps I have. And wow, look at that blue. Just absolutely beautiful. Really sets off that white dial. It'd be kind of neat if the hour minute hands were blue as well, but you know, it still looks nice. Look at that. I'm liking it so far. So I'll definitely be reporting back to let you know how these straps work out. Again, these aren't very expensive. I'm sure Amazon has sales on these all the time. Let me take these off, and I'm gonna throw these beautiful tan looking straps on here. Here we go. Wow, Did it, oh, latched on right away. Okay, so here it is. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. All right, let me go ahead and put this on. Again, we're going to do the same hole. Oddly enough, the blue ones feel tighter, even though they are the exact same length. Are they the same hole pattern? They seem like they're ever so slightly off. Yeah, they are actually. They're ever so. No, actually, they're about the same. Oh, they are a little bit off. Actually, these the blue one, it's actually offset by a couple millimeters. That's why the blue feels a little bit tighter on the same hole than the gray, because the gray and the tan one feel exactly the same. So, but look at this with the silver clasp, the silver casing. I mean, I got other watches I'm gonna try. I'm definitely gonna try this one on my Invicta Pro Diver. I'm gonna probably get that out of the case and give it a try. Not on video, I just mean later, but I just want to try it on this Tissot because this is just a beautiful looking strap. I may have to go find some ones with some croc patterns on there. But I'm liking it. I mean, not expensive. I mean, yeah, they don't feel expensive, I'll tell you that much. I mean, they feel like just a normal average cheapo strap that you'd get, right? But however, they're fun, and it's nice to just kind of change them out. Again, I'll just report back and let you guys know what I think, and you know, hopefully these quick release spring bars don't pop off on me, but we'll find out. I'm willing to go through that for you guys. So, all right, here you go. Here's the last shot of this. Let me just take it off my wrist. I'll just set it down over here. So if you guys got any questions or comments, please leave it below. I mean, aside from that, take care, have a nice day, and I'll catch you all on the next one.